Welcome to Module 4, Lesson 1 of PATPIT 2. In this lesson, we will discuss about safety tips and protocols, an essential aspect of physical activity that ensures both effectiveness and injury preventions. Engaging in physical exercise provides numerous health benefits, but without proper precautions, it can lead to unnecessary risk. This lesson will cover pre-exercise screening, risk assessment, warm-up and cool-down techniques, proper use of equipment, hydration strategies, clothing, and emergency preparedness. By understanding and implementing these safety measures, individuals can engage in physical activities with confidence and reduce their likelihood of injuries. Let us begin by exploring the key principles of exercise safety. Pre-exercise screening is used to identify people who have medical conditions that put them at a higher risk of an adverse event during physical activity or exercise. Safety in exercise depends on various factors, including health status, fitness level, proper technique, and equipment conditions. Taking precautions such as warming up, using correct form, and gradually increasing intensity helps prevent injuries and ensures a safety workout experience. Wearing the right clothing is essential for comfort, safety, and performance during physical activities. Choosing breathable, moisture-wicking fabrics, proper footwear, and activity-specific gear helps prevent discomfort, injuries, and enhances overall movement. Proper hydration is essential for overall health, supporting bodily functions and performance. Whether during exercise, in hot weather, or daily activities, maintaining fluid balance helps prevent dehydration and ensure optimal well-being. Blisters are common skin injuries caused by friction, pressure, or heat, often from heel-fitting footwear or prolonged activity. Proper footwear, protective gear, hydration, and early prevention help reduce risk. Knowing how to care for blisters prevents infection and promotes faster healing. Muscle soreness is a natural response to physical activity, often caused by overexertion or unfamiliar movements. Proper warm-ups, hydration, rest, and nutrition help reduce soreness and promotes recovery, ensuring better performance and overall well-being. Sprains and strains occur when muscle or ligaments are overstretched or torn, often due to sudden movements or excessive force. Preventing these injuries involves proper warm-ups. Cramps, dislocation, and fractures are common injuries that can result from physical exertion, trauma, or improper movement. Understanding their causes and proper response, such as stabilization, rest, and professional care, is essential for preventing further harm and ensuring safe recovery.